Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Alma. So welcome everybody. Today will be a different video. I'm gonna do an unboxing for an order that I placed with Makeup Geek that I love so much. I've always looked up to Marlena. I've been following her for a really long time, and she's the one that taught me a lot of techniques and tips and tricks for makeup. That's how I learned. My sister's the one that actually recommended me to start following her and get on YouTube. And I really like, she's very inspiring, very, very inspiring. So I ordered that mystery box that she has, and I ordered the light to medium one. So let's get in. I wanted to unbox it with you guys. Here's the box. I already looked through it, but I wanted to swatch everything with you. Let's do this together. Okay, so this is how the box comes. Okay. And these are the items, and I was like, the first thing I was like, holy crap, there's brushes in there. Cool. But yes, that's what I saw in the beginning, and I was like, whoa, I love it already. Okay, so let's pull out the first ones that I actually really liked. And here's one brush. It's a rounded brush, perfect for foundation. Let me pull it out. Ooh, it's heavy, and it says Makeup Geek. And it's rounded, really soft. Man, now I want to get more. Look how soft. Really beautiful. I love the handle. I love that it has a little grip here, like a little silicone grip. That's awesome. I'm gonna add it to my collection. And the second brush is this one right here, and it's an angled brush. I like how they came very, very protected with the bubble wrap. I love that. And the way, when I was opening the stuff, everything was really organized, very cushioned up. It was perfect. So this is the second brush, angled brush, perfect for contouring, perfect for blush. And same thing, the rubber or silicone, whatever handle says Makeup Geek, and it's pretty heavy, like heavy. Okay, so those are the two brushes. And then I got these brow duos. This one's in medium brown, perfect because I'm almost running out of my my brow pencil that I'm using right now, and I needed a new one. So that's cool. It comes with two pencils. I'm guessing one is darker medium brown, and the other one, what is it? Yeah, they're both medium brown, but for some reason they're both different color. You see that? I don't know. I'm gonna have to open it. And then this one right here is the auburn. Really cool. Okay, I opened one and it looks like this. Oh, okay, so this is a brow liner. This is a brow pencil. Got it. This is the brow liner, and it's one that you screw up and down. And this one is a pencil. Cool. And so those are the two, right? And then there's another one. It says light brown. Oops. So I got three. I got the auburn, light brown, and medium brown. Perfect. I love it already. Okay, so I also got ivory eyeliner, full spectrum. This one right here. There's two of them. So it's a white eyeliner, it looks like. Ivory. Okay. And oh my gosh, they're very creamy. Look at that. Super pigmented. Wow. Okay, let me open the second one. This one's indigo. Okay. And it's a blue one. I'm gonna swatch it real quick. I hardly pressed it. I didn't even have to make too much effort. Wow, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. That one's indigo. And there's two eyeliners, a nude and navy. They look like this. I'm gonna swatch the navy. And this is how they look. So you screw it up. And then, oh, this one's like a true blue, like a dark blue. It's this one right here. Awesome. I love her products. I already have some eyeshadows. This is the other one. It's like a nude. Super cool. It's this one right here, the last one or first one. Super cool. I love it. I even have my Z palette here so I can show you guys the shadows that I already bought from her. They're all these eyeshadows, all the square ones. And then I have this one. Okay, so I'm so excited to be adding all this to my collection. Okay, so let's see. We got some lashes here. These are called, okay, they're just full false eyelashes, Fearless. Cool. I love it. And then contour powder in, okay, it's in a pan. It's called Complicated Cool Medium. I've been wanting a cool medium because I have a warm tone skin and I feel like Burnish, the one that I already use, it's too warm for it, so it makes me look super like baked. So I'm really excited to use this one. Here, let me pull it out. And it's carefully in one of these. You see that's a perfect one. I also got a highlighter, Sunlight. It's called Sunlight. Okay. And I'm just gonna pull it out a little bit so you guys can see it. It has a very cute shimmer to it. Awesome, awesome. And then I have Chivalry Blush. And it looks like this. And it's inside its case. Awesome. I love it. I love this color. And then I got Tawny Bronzer, sorry. And it comes in its case. And I also got one of these. It's a sleek, very beautiful case, and it's empty inside. Has a mirror, so that's dope. And right here you can put your blushes in, and these are the ones I got. Oh my god. Yeah, when I opened up the box, I was like, oh my god, that is a lot of things. So, okay, so I got 4 blushes here. This one is called Had Me at Yellow. And it's like a tan, brown tan color. It's like the color of my shirt almost, like a really tan color. I'm gonna put it away because this girl is all up in my business. Huh, Lily? Okay, so another one. So yeah, so like I said, there was 4 shadows that came in. These are the other 3. Okay, so I showed you guys the one. This one's called Take for Granite. Dark brown, like a deep brown. Here, let me swatch it. You see? Beautiful color. And then this one is called Staycation. I think I have this already, this color. It's okay though. Just adding to my collection. I do have this already. Looks very familiar. The last one is Hot Tamale. This is Hot Tamale. It's a really pretty color, perfect for fall. Okay, and I already placed them in their little home. So there they are. Really pretty. And then I also got these 3 cases. They're empty, but I'm glad I got them because I could put more shadows. And also I could put the bronzer that I already have on my Z palette. They don't have anything in it. See, I have one that I haven't been able to put in my Z palette because it doesn't fit. So this one doesn't fit, so I've been having it in this little thing, and I just keep carefully putting it back inside. So I'm glad that now I have one of these thingies so I can put it in there. And they're magnetic, so that's cool. And I'm gonna end up putting the other stuff. Oh, there's one more thing. It's a Makeup Geek eyeliner in gunmetal. Wow, I don't think I ever had an eyeliner like this. It's a gray color, this one right here. It's a beautiful gray. It has like a sheen to it. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hopefully you guys can see it. Wow, I'm excited to be using these. And yeah, that's all that came in. And now the box is empty. This is trash. And I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this unboxing. I will do a tutorial on my next video of it, like a fall look, or you know, something that is in the season. And I just want to say thank you guys. Thank you for everybody that has been subscribing, all my returning subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing video as much as I did. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.